In this video, you learn about keywords and how to link keywords to your topics so that your topics can be indexed based on these keywords. Users can then search the help for relevant topics and content associated with those keywords. First, a small look at keywords. Do you recall searching for something in Google or any of your favorite web browsers using words and phrases? These are keywords. Similarly, you could also let your user, particularly with online help, search for relevant content using keywords. Here's an example of online help. In fact, this is Help in Manual's online help developed using Help in Manual itself. And it is located at the URL displayed in the callout below. To search the help, click the search button indicated by the lens icon and search fields appear. Enter a keyword, a word or a phrase, in the search for field and click submit. Notice how Help in Manual returned results related to the keyword print manual. The user can then browse through the results list and click on the link of any one of the topics to view its contents. To facilitate this type of search, we must link relevant keywords to topics. I would advise that you perform this step as soon as you create a topic for 3 reasons. 1. The keywords related to the topic will still be fresh in your mind. 2. You don't have to do it later and worse, even forget adding keywords to your topic. And 3. An index of your keywords can be built. To check the index of our online help example, click the keyword index button located next to the search button. Back in Help in Manual, let's look at how we can add keywords to topics. Let's select the welcome topic that we created earlier, with the topic being visible on the editor page. Click the Topic Options tab and the following screen is displayed. All we need to do now is add relevant keywords into the keywords box. As a general rule, enter keywords in the lowercase unless they are pronouns such as Help in Manual, Microsoft, a person's name, etc. For the welcome topic, some appropriate keywords would be Help in Manual, Introduction, Support, Contact Us, if support and contact information have been included in the welcome topic. You could also club related keywords as you might have seen them in the index of books. For instance, suppose the welcome topic had email addresses for technical support and sales. Instead of entering 2 separate keywords such as technical support email and sales email, you could club them as I'm doing. Type email on the first line and then press enter, and on the subsequent line press tab and then type the keyword technical support and then click enter again, and in the subsequent line press tab and then type the word sales so that it looks as this. The search will ensure that the relevant topic is fetched for either of these keywords, that is, technical support email or sales email. Finally, save your work by clicking the floppy button or by pressing Ctrl S. We'll look into how the search and index functions for these keywords become active when we create online help.